Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log into the Macquarie Bank. Now to do that, firstly make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. After the web browser opens up, on the search bar type in Macquarie Bank and then hit the search button. After you hit the search button, you will be redirected to another page. Now on this page, simply click on this first link. After you click on the first link, you will be on the home page of the Macquarie Bank. Now on this page, on the top right corner, you'll see this login button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the login button, a menu will appear on your screen. Now on this menu, simply choose what you want to do and click on the corresponding link. After you click on the corresponding link, you will be redirected to another page and you will see another menu. Now choose again what you want to do and then click on the link. After you click on the corresponding link again, you will be redirected to another page. Wait for it to load and the login page will appear on your screen. Now on this page, on this login page, simply fill in your Macquarie ID here, your password here, and then click on this login button. Once you click on the login button and if your credentials are correct, you will be logged in to your account. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.